This is a demonstration of a medium-range chloride LMP test kit. The first step is to collect an accurate sample. The smallest change in sample size will lead to inaccurate results. Before collecting your sample, it's important to rinse the vial 3 times with the sample to be tested. This minimizes the chance of contamination from a previous titration. To get an accurate sample, hold the vial close to eye level. Accuracy is very important during this step. Once you feel you have an accurate sample, place the vial on a level surface and bend down to eye level to verify. Using a white background can provide contrast to help you better see the color changes. A cabinet tray or a white paper towel can provide that contrast. For this test, we will be using a 10 ml sample. If sulfites are present, add 6 drops of hydrogen peroxide 3%. Swirl for 30 seconds to mix. The next step is to add 8 drops of nitric acid 20%. The bottle contains a dropper tip, so it's important to hold the bottle vertically to get a consistent drop size. After the addition of each reagent, swirl the vial to make sure the reagents are properly mixed. Next, put the orifice reducer into the chloride bonding reagent number 2. Insert the syringe through the orifice and turn the bottle upside down. Plunge the syringe a few times to remove any air bubbles, and then take 1 ml of the reagent. Add the 1 ml of reagent and swirl to mix. The sample will become cloudy if chloride is present. The next step is to add 3 scoops of titration indicator powder. Swirl to mix for about 30 seconds. The sample will turn slightly yellow. The next step is to perform the titration using titrant reagent number 2. Add the titrant 1 drop at a time, swirling after each drop. Hold the bottle vertically for a consistent drop size, and remember to count the number of drops. The titration is complete when the sample color turns to brick red or orange red. Calculate the chloride concentration, or refer to concentration table 2. If the sample turns orange red after the first drop of titrant, perform the test again using the high range chloride procedure.